everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today is January 4, 2019. Today is all about virtue, dedication, and result. Every client counts. Today is, once again, is January 4, 2020, making today a Saturday. Just want to throw out in there for those that just friendly reminder, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market. So by using the triple arrow system, one of the best systems in the world, and it's gonna get even better mid-January. In the next couple of weeks, we're gonna be releasing the new version of triple arrow system, which is gonna be even better, faster, and it's gonna get you hundreds and hundreds of pips. But you need to have full education on how to use it. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Don't ever trade any money that you can afford losing it if you don't know how to do it. If you have rules, please, apply the rule. I do have set of rules that I use, and I do also do 101 for those that want to join my program on how to use the triple arrow system using my rules. Okay. And I just wanted to make sure, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. All the videos that I make here are totally free to you. But remember, you have to have the triple arrow first. If you don't have the triple arrow, the link is below in the description of this video. Just click on it, take a look at it. If you really want to join and change your life, please do so. It does not cost anything by taking a look at it, and hopefully you join us. So looking forward to seeing you inside, and we're gonna move forward to our next slide. So just remember, I also do 101. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube or you want to send me a private message, please do so. This is some of my students that are killing the market base using my my rules. So if you have not or want to hire a mentor, hire me, and I will teach you how to use everything, when to enter, when to look for setup, when not to enter, and so on. It's many different rules. There's a lot of you guys here, but unfortunately I cannot put them all. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know. And as a reminder, basically, I always put my Forex Hours app. Please download this app on your phone, which is gonna give you the market hours on your local time, whatever local time you are, whatever part of the world you are. It doesn't matter. It shows your summertime alarm for the market opening, Forex calendar. It built in with tools, real-time chart, Forex calculator. It's gonna show the timing of your London, New York, Frankfurt, Tokyo, and Sydney whenever they open. It's pretty amazing, guys. Just go to your app and make sure you download the app. Okay. Another great app also is by going to Forex USA group and subscribing to my Forex page. Facebook page, I'm sorry. So like that, you will know when I post new video and I have new updates. Okay, and remember, all these pairs that I'm gonna be analyzing today are subject to change based on the news that are gonna be released every day for the rest of this week. So we're gonna be trading on the week of January 6th to the 10th, which is on Friday. And remember, if you have not downloaded the app, but go to Google it and Google my FX book, and you will be up to today's day with the news. Okay, so once again, guys, just last reminder, click the bell notification and bam, let's hit the market. All right, so let's go ahead. Basically, I already dropped the setup for AUD USD, and I told you guys, the setup on this one. And then I give you another setup on the USD Canadian. I told you that. You can check the video. And the next pair that I dropped for you guys was on the Euro NCD. All right. So I already dropped that. If you have not watched the video, please make sure you click or go to my channel and look for those three setups. You will love it. Pretty amazing. And we all learn at the same time. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any question. If you want me to drop the link, I will be more than happy to do so. All right, let's move forward to our next pair that I have for the day. This is done on the GBP Canadian dollar. This pair here, the overall, this trend is bearish, guys. It's bearish. For those that had take my 101 session, they should know the market in here is bearish. Basically, what the market is trying to do at this point is trying to form a triple arrow pullback. But it's not like a market that is gonna go bullish for a very long time. I always tell you guys, so when you're gonna be trading pullback, make sure you grab 20 to 40 pip and be out of the market. Please do so. All right, don't stay on it for a very long time, because the market is not gonna be trending bullish for a very long time. So overall, this trend for 2020 on the Great Britain pound versus the Canadian is still a bearish market. Okay, so make sure you follow instruction, guys. Trading is easy only if you apply the rule correctly. Okay, so you want me to do the analysis? Why did I say the market is trending down, guys? It's very simple. Look at that. Who's in charge here? Triple arrow is trending down. Look at that. That's exactly what the market is doing. Triple arrow is the best system, guys. It can help you make tons and tons and tons of pips. But the only person that really can make, change is only you. It's only if you want to. You want to make money and more money in 2020? Well, you need to fire a mentor, guys. You really need to find a mentor. You can hire me, you can hire somebody else. Many other mentors are on the internet. You can do it. You can Google it. But if they don't know how to use the triple arrow, I'm here to help you. All right. The private Telegram message is on the description below if you really want to make a change in your trading career. So that is only if you really want. All right. So now what I'm expecting to see for the rest of the week, I'm expecting to see a short pullback retesting our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line before the market drop back down and continue as a bearish market. Okay, so really pay attention in this area. And to be honest, in this particular area, what I'm looking here is for a short buy, right? Which is about 20 to 40 pips, guys. That's it. That's all. That's the rules. Please stay on it. Don't disrespect the rule. Market is not trending as a bullish for a long time, and it's gonna be a short bull, 20 to 40 pip, and then the market is gonna drop as what? Sell. It's that simple. It's that simple, guys. All right, don't overkill yourself when there is simplicity in here. All right, let's move up to the next one. This is done on the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollars. This is another great setup that I'm looking for this coming week. This is done on a 4 hours time frame, and the overall trend on this market is bearish. It's a very brand new trend forming, and it seems like 2020 is gonna give us a few months of a bearish market. All right, so why did I'm saying that? Look at what the triple arrow is sitting, guys. It's sitting right where we need it. So it's sitting where? Bam! It's given a. What happened when the triple arrow formed in that area, guys? What happened? It's simple. The market dropped, so it gave us a sell position. And look at that. That's exactly what the market did. Market drop currently based on what the triple arrow was telling us that the market was gonna do. Plus, this is an overall trend is bearish, guy. I mean, that's what it is. What am I expecting to see for the rest of the week? I mean, for starting on Monday, I'm expecting to see a market giving us a small pullback, retesting our 50 to our 38 Fibonacci line. And what do you think it's going to do from that particular area? It's going to drop as sell. That's what I'm looking for. Remember, it doesn't cost anything, guys, to be an enthusiastic, to love and do all this analysis on the market. But it will cost you everything if you don't work, if you don't do your analysis. I already do the hard work for you. All you got to do is go to your chart and compare it and do whatever you want. But this is not a signal. So you can do whatever you want with the data that I'm posting here. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, never will, nothing like that. I'm just another fellow trader like you, giving you the setups that I think are great for the week. But you can do whatever you want with the trade. All right, so that is my overall trend for the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. So looking forward for this amazing week, and hopefully we all squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, let's move on to our next pair here of the week, and let me know if you have any questions. We're gonna go to our GBP NCD. Again, what time frame is this, guy? This is done on H4. Let me circle this so you have an idea of what I'm talking about. See that? Now, Irvin, what is the overall trend for this coming week? Simple as that. What is the triple arrow system is telling us that it's gonna do? What do you think it is? It's giving us a triple arrow going where? Going bullish. So all you gotta do is respect what the rules are saying. So what am I expecting to see this coming week? To be honest, maybe let me fix this. It's gonna give us a retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, and then what do you think it's gonna do next? It's gonna give us a continuation of the trend, retesting our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. But remember, this is a short pullback going against the master trend. Okay? Remember, if you're struggling with the triple arrow system, you need to fire someone to help you guys. You want to make more money in this 2020? Well, you need to have a mentor. We all need a mentor. So I can do a private session for you. The link is below of this video if you really want to change the game. 2020 is your year. You make that decision. And remember, I'm here to help you. So if you can squeeze hundreds and hundreds of dollars out of the market, it's not like you're going to take the money out of my pocket. I don't want you to have it. I don't want the market to keep breaking people's pocket when you can put it in your own bank. All right, hopefully that helps. All right, let's move on to the next one, guys. I'm very excited today. Remember, this is the very first week of 2020, and thank you for giving me a great year last year. We lost only 4 trade and 6 live months that we were doing using the triple arrow, showing you guys how I do my setup. So you were there with me side by side, and we're looking forward to have a great year this 2020. All right, the next pair that I have for you is the Swiss francs versus the Japanese yen. This is done on H4. I love H4 and daily, guys. Those are one of my favorite time frame, and I think everyone also should be looking at it. Why I love them? Why I love 4 hours and daily? Because discipline make you very dangerous in this market. Very, very dangerous, guys. Discipline make you dangerous in Forex market by using the triple arrow system. Now, look at here, guys. This is so exciting. Look at who is in front of our eyes. Who is that? That is a bearish market trending down. So the market is acting, is behaving exactly what the triple arrow is telling us that it's going to do. So what is my analysis for this week? Very simple. Very simple. Look at what I have here. I'm looking for a small pullback, retesting our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. What do you think it may do from that particular area? Another very simple answer. I'm looking for that particular area, a sell position. Why do you think I'm looking for a sell position? Because the triple arrow is telling us the market is bearish. All right, so it's very straightforward, guys. If you have not subscribed to our triple arrow system, the description is below. Take a look at it. So next week or Remember, I will come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. and you're gonna reanalyze the exact same pairs that we just went through. We're all gonna do it all over again, and hopefully you are gonna go over it in your charts with me. Hopefully you had the triple arrow by then. So it's up to you. The decision is in your hand. All right. So you make, if you want to change your life, that's the only thing you can do. It will cost you everything if you don't. So and remember, a lot of people are saying, hey, it's a new year, a new resolution, whatever, guys. You need to change your mindset. You need to say it's time. The time is now to make decision. But it's in your mind, in your hand. So you're the only one who make it. All right. So join us if you really want to. All right. Let's go to the next pair. Let's go to New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. This pair is done on what time frame? Look at that, 4 hours. All right. That's what I always tell you. 4 hours in here. Bam. Look at there. Look at what the market is doing, guys. What do you think it's doing here? Triple arrow is coming on our side. When triple arrow form, the market does what? It drops. That's exactly what the market is doing. What is my overall for this coming week? Well, I don't see any pullback ready yet, so I'm expecting to see about two more or three more candles before the market does a small pullback, retesting R23 to R0 Fibonacci line, and then the market is gonna drop down to most likely to R50 to R61 golden area of the Fibonacci. All right, are you guys with me? You guys have any question? If you do, make sure you come on Wednesday at 6 p.m. So we're all gonna be trading this live. So it's gonna be a YouTube live video where you guys gonna be asking real questions, and I will go over and try to answer as much questions as possible. Okay, so looking forward to see you guys on Wednesday, and let's keep moving, guys. I'm very excited. Brand new year, brand new ideas. It's just amazing. The market has tons and tons of brand new setup, guys. Brand new setup. So this is it, guys. Oh my God, January can be your only month that you need to work for the rest of 2020 if you make the right decision. This is it. It could be your only month that you need, and you retire for the rest of the 11 month. All right, let's move on to the next pair. We're gonna go ahead. As you see, I'm analyzing a lot of GBP. I do see a lot of gray setup, to be honest, and so most likely we're gonna go on as week comes, and if you guys want me to stay on this pair, I will do so. If you have any pair that you want me to analyze it for the next couple of weeks, go ahead and drop it on the comment below. So like that, I will write it down and come back fresh next Sunday. Unfortunately, this coming Wednesday, we're gonna analyze what we already are doing today. All right, so I want to be consistent so you can learn how I do things. All right, so here on the Great Britain base, the Japanese yen, this is done on H4. What I'm looking to see for this coming week, I'm expecting to see about 2-3 more candles before the market does a small pullback, retesting our 61 to our 50 Fibonacci golden area. Why I said it's a golden area? Because this is one of the golden area that we all should be looking at it. From that particular area, what is my overall count? Well, I'm from that area, the market should be doing what? Should be selling down. Why? Because the overall trend is bearish, guys. Look at here, guys. Look who is in charge. Look at that. Triple arrow is in charge. And what is the triple arrow doing? The triple arrow is trending down. So what we were supposed to see for this coming week is a small pullback, and then the market is gonna drop down. It's that simple. It's that simple. Some of you guys saying, Irvin, but you making this video so like seems too simple. Guys, it is. It is. It's nothing hard. It's really nothing hard. Just look it up, look the market the same way I'm looking at it. I mean, the triple arrow system, maybe your setup is wrong. And remember, I'm the IT person for the triple arrow system. Any question you have, I'm the right person. I'm the person that will help you. Okay? Just want to make sure you know that in case you forgot. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our next one, guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions. We're going to go ahead and analyze the US dollar versus the Swiss francs. What time frame is this? This is done again on H4. I really love H4. See H4 there. And look at this. This is an amazing one, guys. Look at this. A brand new trend giving us a what, guys? This is giving us a brand new triple arrow system. And the triple arrow is going where? It's going currently based on what the market wants to do. Right? The market is doing what? It's going trending up. So what I'm expecting to see from this particular area here is a small pullback. So I'm expecting to see probably 3 more candles before the small pullback, retesting R23 to R0 Fibonacci line. And then what do you think it's going to do next? What do you think it's going to do next from here? It's going to give us a buy position, guy. That's what I'm looking for from there. You can go long. But remember, I don't do any signals, guy. I don't do signals. So you can do whatever you want with my analysis. But if you are not a triple arrow member, the link is below. If you are a triple arrow member and you want to sharpen your skill for 2020, my private telegram is below. You can send me a message and I will schedule a time so I can go over how to use the triple arrow system with rules and be consistently a profitable trader for 2020. All right, so I'm very excited for this one as well. So it's a lot of great setup, guys. I really enjoy it. It's plenty available. All right, let's go to our next one. Let me see how many pairs we're analyzing this week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different pairs, guys. Look at how much work I have done for you. And all you're doing is sitting back, you know, behind scene and maybe laughing, maybe saying, wow, man, this is great. Whatever you are in your mind is fine with me. But the hard work is already done in my end. All you got to do is sit back, enjoy it, and, you know, master the same thing that I'm teaching you guys. All right, so here on this particular pair, look at what we have here. We have the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. What time frame do you think I'm analyzing here? What does D1 stand for? D1 stand for day one. There was a particular person that just posted a comment on our Telegram group saying, how can you hide those alerts? All you got to do is grab them and hide it underneath of your chart. That's simple, and those are gone. All right, so hopefully that person watched this video and he will do exactly what I just told him, and that's it. And you will never ever see any of those pop-up alert anymore. It's that simple. All right, remember, I'm the IT person for this, so I know everything in and out of the triple arrow system, or the secret behind and everything. So it's up to you if you really want to. All right, Tim Irvin is here to help you. All right, so what is the analysis for the USD Canadian dollar for the daily time frame? For this particular area, I'm expecting to see a brand new trend. It seems like it's a brand new trend forming to be a bullish market. So we're looking forward to see maybe 1 or 2 more candles before the market start going up. So please pay attention. This is a great setup, to be honest, for next week, looking a potential buy position. All right, so hopefully you can analyze it. If you have any question, you know, drop it below. Come on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and let's wrestle this together. You ask the question, I will be more than happy to answer it. I want you guys to really change your life one way or another. The market is so huge, and you need to grab some of that pie and change your family's financial status. Whatever status you are currently in, you can even get much better. 2020 is a brand new year, and the decision is in your mind, in your hands. So you make that decision, the right decision, that it will change you as a person, and you're gonna be happy. All right. So it does not cost anything to be an enthusiastic, but it will cost you everything if you don't do it. Get the right education. Find someone that can help you. If your setup is wrong, you need to have someone to help you. You can let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you. All right. So that is the setup for the USD Canadian on the 1 hour time frame, guys. It's that simple. Now, let me know, guys, in the comment below if you guys want me to continue put all the do the analysis all at once, or either break it down to maybe 3, maybe 6 in one video and 6 in another video. So like that, you can go over and over and over again. So you can watch this as many times as you want. Whatever you guys want. I want a brand new ideas. If I like what you just comment or let me know, or send me a private message and let me know, I will, respect every decision. And then I'm gonna mention this the overall result on our Wednesday class at 6 p.m. Whatever decision you come in and tell me, we're gonna go from there. But remember, triple arrow is the best system on the MetaTrader 4 on Forex. So if you have not had this link, please, the description is below. Let's go to our last pair of the day. All right. So what am I expecting to see in here, guys? What am I expecting to see? Can someone tell me what is the market doing? Let me count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, someone said it was a sell. Awesome. Why did you say the market was a sell? Why? Can someone else answer this? Why? Because someone said it was because the triple arrow. Look at that. Look at who is in charge. Triple arrow is right in front of our eyes. And that's why the market behaved the same way that it's doing right now. Why? Because the market is trending down. But remember one thing, guys. You should not be on this market for a very long time, because the market is doing a triple arrow pullback. And then what do you think it's going to do next? What do you think it's going to do next? Can someone else answer that question? Well, if you said market was going to do a buy position, a continuation of the trend, you are correct. You are correct. Look, why am I saying that, guys? It's very straightforward. Very straightforward. Look at who's here. Look at when the buyers come in. Buyers come in stronger. Look at that. Bam! It took off. Stronger. Look at when the sellers come in. The sellers come in weak. And who you think is going to come back again? Maybe the triple arrow will form. What do you think is going to form? Let me highlight that position. You know what? Let's make this here. And we're going to come back on Wednesday. Who cares? We're going to do this right there. Right. From that particular area, we should be looking for a triple arrow continuation of the trend. But the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the euro versus the US dollar. Let me fix this, guys. Let me fix this. Bam. Bam. That's it. The euro US dollar is a bullish market. It's a bullish market, guys. It's that simple. All right. So make sure you guys jump in on Wednesday at 6 p.m. All the analysis are totally free. It does not cost anything. All you have to do is come in and enjoy my training. If you find value out of this training, Please make sure you share it with other social media if you want. Do whatever you want, but I want people to really enjoy making, changing their financial status on 2020. So once again, I want to thank everyone for coming in today, and looking forward, guys, to see you Wednesday at what time? 6 p.m. Okay, make sure you come and join us on our live training. So looking forward to see you, and I'll talk to you next time.